In the recent Windows 11 update, Microsoft had added a super handy tool for comparing different audio processing modes when using a microphone on apps designed for the operating system. One of the prime reasons why the company has brought this tool is that some audio drivers can feature different audio effects. With the help of this all-new tool, you can hear how the audio sounds using the different processing versus the processing that a communication app may be using. That said, it's time to learn how to test microphone audio processing modes on Windows 11. So to get started, you have to launch the Settings app on your computer. And then you have to select the System option in the left sidebar. And then you have to click on the Sound page on the right side. And then you have to click Choose a device for speaking or recording setting. And then you have to click the microphone that you want to test. Next up, you have to click the microphone test setting. And then you have to choose the test mode default option. And then you have to click the Start Test button. After that, you have to speak to the microphone to record a sample of your voice. And then you have to click on the play button in the recorder sample setting. After that, you have to choose the test mode communications option. Then you have to click on the play button in the recorder sample setting. And once you have gone through these steps, you'll have a better idea of how the audio will be processed on your device. It's worth pointing out that the microphone test is just for that testing, and it will not change the audio processing settings on the computer. So make sure to keep this important thing in your mind. And that's pretty much it. So that's how you can easily test microphone audio processing modes on your Windows 11 computer. Now that you have unlocked this slightly hidden feature, make the most of it as and when the need arrives. And I'll catch you up in the next video with more such handy tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye-bye.